What's up, everybody? I am Pruitt. This is a prestigious unboxing, if you will. What I have here is a PS836. No, I can't remember the name of it, but the folks at MSI shot me an email and basically challenged me. They said, you know what, Ant? I'm going to challenge you to use this laptop for a whole week. Don't use yours, use this one. You are a content creator. You have a whole lot of stuff to do, and you need a laptop that's going to help you get it done efficiently, fast, all that good stuff. And I said, all right, challenge accepted, because I like my laptop. I currently use a ThinkPad. I think it's a T470 with a Core i7 and 16 gigs of RAM. And yeah, it's a pretty slick device. But they said, you know what? We'll send you this one. Try this one out. See what you think of it. But this is their Prestige model from MSI. So I want to do a quick unbox of it. And as you can see, this is an unofficial unbox because I had to turn it on the other night and get some of my stuff installed on it. So there's a couple fingerprints, but most review units have fingerprints on them anyway. But this is the laptop. And this is a 15.6 inch. Now this thing is super duper thin, really, really light. I think it weighs about 3 pounds, if that. Plenty of ports, which is a good thing. You got your HDMI, USB-C, USB 3.0, headphone jack, power, and the other side, you got more USB 3.0 and a SD card reader right there. Another thing that I like is the keyboard. It's a chiclet keyboard, but it feels okay. The screen itself on the laptop has another really thin bezel right there. So they want to try to give you a whole lot more real estate as far as checking out your content and whatnot. 8th generation Core i7, 16 gigs of RAM. They're touting 16 hours of battery life on this. We'll see about that. But yeah, this is the MSI PS63 Modern is what this is called. So pretty long name. Got a fingerprint scanner right there. I will not be using that. But yeah, this is a nice looking laptop. I will be playing with this over the next week, hopefully. And I'm actually just going to try to see if I can, max it out and just really throw a lot of graphics and stuff like that at it with After Effects and whatnot and go from there, because it has a NVIDIA GTX 1050 GPU built in, as well as a NVMe hard drive and another solid state drive for all your apps and stuff. So it's supposed to be a nice performer. We shall see. But that's it. Quick, short, dirty video. Just a semi unboxing, if you will. Stay tuned for the final results. I will probably just do my review of this thing over on techrepublic.com. So check it out over there. Thank you again for MSI sending this out to me to check out. And I'll catch y'all on the next video.